What's the meaning of cleaning woman? Cleaning woman. Cleaning woman.
Cleaning woman. Cleaning woman. A cleaning woman is a person, typically a female employee, who is hired to clean and maintain a building or residence. Their responsibilities may include dusting, vacuuming, mopping floors, and cleaning bathrooms and kitchen areas. The main goal of a cleaning woman is to ensure that the spaces they are responsible for are kept tidy and sanitary. They may work independently or as part of a larger cleaning team, and their work is essential for creating a clean and comfortable environment for those using the space.